Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. I hope you're well and taking good care of yourself and your loved ones. Today we will talk about fasting and its effect on the immune system. If you are a healthy individual who doesn't have any chronic conditions that can be exacerbated and jeopardize your well-being, then fasting is one of the best things you can do for yourself. I have many non-Muslim friends and colleagues who fast during the entire month of Ramadan and have been doing so for years. Once you experience the health benefits of it, it motivates you to continue. And it is definitely easier when you have others around you doing the same thing. There have been many scientific studies on the benefits of fasting. There is no denying that fasting has great therapeutic benefits. When you fast, you're essentially shutting down your internal machinery for maintenance purposes. When you fast, you rest your body from being overly busy, and that triggers certain systems to get activated. When you fast, your body decreases cytokines. Cytokines are a category of signaling molecules that mediate and regulate immunity and inflammation. As cytokines are decreased in the body, it can lead to decrease of inflammation in the body. And inflammation, as we know, is the culprit behind all kinds of problems from heart disease, stroke, autoimmune disorders, and even cancer. Fasting can help keep inflammation under control and protect you from many health complications. But there is a secret to getting this benefit of fasting, which I will discuss with you in just a moment. Another benefit of fasting on our immunity is that it stimulates macrophages. Macrophage is a large white blood cell that is an important part of our immune system. It has the ability to locate and eat particles such as bacteria, viruses, and parasites. It is one of the first lines of defense against invaders. By fasting, you stimulate them and actually strengthen your immune system this way. The next effect fasting has is on our gut. Your large intestine is like a control tower for your immune system. It hosts between 60 to 70% of your body's immune cells. The health of your gut directly affects the performance of your immune system. By fasting, you increase the healthy gut flora, the microorganisms in your gut which help you and protect you against invaders. Without these, your risk of infections are quite high. By giving your digestive tract a break, you allow these microorganisms to cultivate and become more efficient and do their job more effectively. Fasting actually increases our body's capacity to deal with stress. When we exercise, we stress our muscles and cardiovascular system, but it actually strengthens them. This is the same concept with fasting. Fasting puts the body under mild stress, which makes our cells adapt by enhancing their ability to cope. So fasting enhances our body's ability to deal with stress, and that is true for physical, mental, and emotional stress. Since we're talking about stress, another benefit of fasting, which is especially relevant at this time, is that it helps reduce cortisol levels. Cortisol is a stress hormone which is released by the adrenal glands. It is important because it helps your body deal with stressful situations as your brain triggers its release in response to different kinds of stresses. But it becomes problematic when these stress levels remain high for too long. And this is what is happening with many people. Between high stress jobs, pandemic and its social, emotional, and financial implications, many people are highly stressed. Fasting can really help in this situation. When we fast, cortisol levels are reduced and it affects our overall health and our immunity. Fasting can help restore the balance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body. In this way, it helps the body overcome oxidative stress. I'm sure you have heard of the term oxidative stress, so it is really beneficial to fight that. Fasting also boosts metabolism and slows down the aging process. It also gives your body a much needed break. It needs to attend to wear and tear. It's called autophagy. Autophagy is the body's way of cleaning out damaged cells in order to regenerate newer, healthier cells. Essentially, this is body's mechanism of getting rid of all the broken down old cell machinery, the proteins and cell membranes that are no longer needed. Nutrient deprivation is the key activator of this process, and that's what you're doing by fasting. But fasting doesn't only do that, it also stimulates growth hormones which tell our body to start producing new cells. So fasting is giving your body a much needed makeover. You have to try it to really feel the benefits. I'm not saying you won't feel the hunger and thirst. You will, but what you will feel and how you will feel after that is what makes this an amazing experience. Remember, I told you there's a secret behind getting these benefits from fasting. That secret is what you eat before and after the fast. If we eat processed food, high sugar, high carb foods, we are undoing all the benefits of an entire day of fasting in less than an hour. Some of the best foods to consume are fresh fruits and vegetables, light soups, salads, healthy grains like quinoa, amaranth, finger millet, and healthy proteins. Stay away from sugary, syrupy drinks. Go for water and herbal teas instead. It is a great time to bring about some healthy changes to our diet that we can then carry forward and continue all year long. Avoid heavy curries and fried foods. Focus more on hydrating foods. I'll do a separate video on foods that are especially great to consume before you start fasting that will help you remain hydrated all day long, so keep an eye out for that. I hope you found this video helpful. Let's get the most of our fasting by doing it right. Ramadan Mubarak, everyone. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Take care. I'll see you shortly. Goodbye.